Hello and welcome to Howie's Kitchen. Today we're going to show you grilled peaches over ice cream. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take about 2 tablespoons of butter, melted, and we're going to add about a tablespoon of dark rum. So next, we're going to take about a tablespoon of brown sugar. Then we're going to do, let's call it a dash of cinnamon, ground cinnamon. Just sprinkle some in there. Now we're going to blend that together. Okay, so next we're going to take a peach and we're going to slice it and get it off the pit. There are certain times of the year where this works better. This might be that time of year. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut this into 8s. So now what we're going to do, we're going to add the peaches into the rum and the butter mixture. And then we're going to mix those together and get them well coated. And then I'm going to let these sit while the grill warms up. Okay, so one thing you're going to want to do, give them one more stir before you put them on the grill. And basically, we're just looking for some char marks. Just lay them out. So yeah, we want to let them cook here. We want to let them warm through. So I'm not even going to close the lid. Just let them cook for maybe like 3-4 minutes. Then we're going to come back and we're going to flip them. Now we're going to come back, we're going to check them. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. A little bit of char on there, a little bit of grill mark. We'll flip these over. Yeah, that's looking really good. So we'll let these cook for maybe another 3-4 minutes or so, and then we're going to pull them off. Check these one more time here. We're looking good. So what I like to do, I just put them right back in the marinade, the butter and rum and sugar mixture. All right, so now that I've got them off the grill, I'm just going to take and we're going to lay them out. Give them a little chop. Now I'm going to put them back in the bowl. Okay, so now let's take a few scoops vanilla ice cream. I've got a old-fashioned vanilla here. Vanilla ice cream is the best, I found. Use what you prefer. And then we're going to spoon our peach mixture with the marinade and everything over the top. And let me tell you, it's very good. This is how I spoil my wife.